What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is just bringing more awareness to what we put in our bodies and also what we put on our bodies. And if you don't know already by the title, I'm basically going to be doing my own homemade protein hair treatment. As you can see, my hair has been like this probably for like the past week. It's getting a little frizzy. It's time to be washed. So the ingredients for this protein hair mask is 1 ripe avocado. And now avocados are going to be moisturizing, repairing, and strengthening, help with dry and brittle hair. The next ingredient is going to be your coconut milk, and I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of that. It is high in vitamin C, E, and B, and this is going to help restore dry hair and also help with dandruff. What's really great about this ingredient is that it boosts your hair growth by minimizing hair loss. So if you want like the most retention out of your products that you use, you definitely should look into getting this ingredient. And also we're going to do 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and this is just going to allow your hair to feel soft and leave a nice shine. And really, y'all, that is literally it for this hair mask. I like my hair mask on the thicker side. Now, it's your preference on however you want the consistency of this mask to be. Just for me personally, I'm gonna make sure like I don't incorporate too much liquid into this. I do need to go wash my hair and then I'll apply it for y'all. I will be right back. As you can see, my hair is so dry, y'all, because I've been using gel for the past week, so my hair needs this all nice. And you can honestly mash it up too, like you don't have to use a blender. This is so messy. Okay, here she is. Y'all, this is so messy. Like, it's all on the floor, all on my leg, here. Yeah, super messy. So maybe try not to do like really thick mask. Try to put a little bit more coconut milk in this. I will let this sit in my hair for a good 25 to 30 minutes, and I'll rinse it out. Then I'll apply some of my hair product, and then I will come back with the results. I don't feel that it gave a lot of moisture and really like benefited my hair as much as another hair mask would have. Maybe if I had incorporated more coconut milk into it, definitely, because it was so thick and I didn't mash up the avocado enough. Deep conditioning is really more about helping restore and give as much moisture back to your hair as possible, and I don't think I got that from this hair mask. And so I personally think maybe incorporate something else into it. There's so many homemade hair masks out there to try, and I just wanted to attempt to see what this would do for my hair. I know I need a protein treatment in my hair right now because of this past week. I did have a lot of gel just sitting in my hair. If y'all do want to see other hair masks, like homemade ingredients, let me know in the comments down below what you think I should try. This is my experience on it. I don't think I would end up doing this again. If I did, I probably would incorporate something else into it, you know, or I would add a little bit more of a liquid-based ingredient. I do hope that this video helped you in some way if you were interested in trying like a homemade hair mask. And make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to post more often now, and I hope to see y'all in my next video.